So from that particular lens, it doesn't make sense for me to own a home in next 5 to 8 years at least.
Do you guys want to be homeowners in the next, let's say, 4-5 years?
Absolutely.
Yes.
I do not.
No.
There are two parts to it, how I look at. One is the affordability lens of it, whether I can afford it or not. And the other is the choice part of it, whether I do want to own a home or not. And if I do, then it is mostly from an investment point of view rather than actually sticking to one particular geography. Because I value the flexibility of moving anywhere quite a lot. And sticking to one place, because if I buy a home, I'll give you an example. So even if I'm earning X, about 40 to 50% of my income would go in consumption. I'll have to spend the remaining entire 40 to 50% in the EMIs which I'll have to pay to buy a home. Then the remaining 0 to 10% which I have left is not enough for me to explore like what I want to do in life. So from that particular lens, it doesn't make sense for me to own a home in next 5 to 8 years at least. I want to see different things, different places. I want to be at different places so that I can be in different cultural settings with different people from different countries or cities. And that's why I don't myself see as owning a home a viable or a fruitful investment right now. I would rather park my money in something which is more liquid.
And how old are you, Ishan, if you don't mind me
I'm
asking?
28.
And why do you want to buy a home?
I'm 25. Yeah. But see, I honestly thought of while I want to do all of that, I love traveling. I love meeting new people, going to new countries. But I think at the same time, I want one place to go back. And I think that if I see myself settling down in the next 2 to 3 years, I want a space that I can call my home and I don't have to as tenants. And when you're in the corporate world, you just keep on shifting houses left, right, and center. I've shifted like 3 houses in the last 3 years because your landlord will just increase your rent or you'll be kicked out of the house because the landlord decided to sell the house. But I think for me, I want a place to come back and a place that I think it's an emotional reason only, that a place that I can decorate. I can think of spending my life here. And I want to start that today because I think that, if I know for a fact that this is the city I want to settle in, then why not start today and why delay it to the next 5-6 years is what my thought process.